Rubik's Cube object making videos are going absolutely viral all over social media right now, and these are genuinely some of the most addictive pieces of content on the internet. Best part? This niche is still almost completely unsaturated. Getting in early gives you a serious advantage. Watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I've written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish without missing a single word. Once copied, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit send. ChatGPT will instantly act as an engineering director and give you 10 unique Rubik's Cube object ideas. Pick your favorite one and reply with its number. The moment you send it, ChatGPT will generate the complete production-ready video prompt for that exact object, including full camera and ASMR details. Copy that final video prompt from ChatGPT and head over to Google Flow. Select video mode, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical, choose OmniFlash as your model, and set duration to 10 seconds. Increase your output count so you have extra renders to choose from, paste the prompt in, and hit generate. Within just a couple of seconds, your viral Rubik's Cube object making video is completely finished and ready to post. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.